Wow, you found my channel. In part 1, we learn Blender. I provide objects from my Google Drive that we can move, scale, and rotate. We add colors and textures. Then export PNGs to Inkscape. It's easy. Use a link in Art without Paint. Click on Home in my Google Drive. Find your project. Watch the short while using the Blender project. It's a good idea to save it in a folder. Use your objects over in any project. Simple things I use. Layout holds objects. The right side is divided by a slider. It's always just above a search bar. The top right has what's on the screen. It's different from what the camera sees. Below the slider are colors and modifiers. Right-click an object, then choose Duplicate from the choices. Move the slider bar up so you see the red globe. Hit the minus sign until you see New. Pick it, then pick base color, and a color will appear. Find a color you like. My two-step process. Start exporting Blender objects one at a time into Inkscape, then add shadows or textures in Inkscape. This makes our project easy. In Inkscape, duplicate objects and make shadows by mirroring and skewing them. Add an existing color to an object, find the red globe, now find the white globe next to New, pick it, then all the colors in the project appear. I usually add a few textures into the project. Don't delete the objects that have them, the textures will disappear. If an object has a texture, you will want to get a unique look with the mapping box. Use location, size, and rotation. The shading tab is top center. Be sure you're in object mode. Textures are in the white globe drop-down box. Add curves, then at the bottom pick sapling trees. Edit the shape. In Generator, pick leaves. And a box, show leaves. You can only edit branches and leaves while the tree is open. Click off and add colors and textures. We need to make a cube and turn it into an extrudable part. Then extrude out the branches. At the top, pick Add, then Mesh, then Cube. Toggle to Edit mode and pick Transparent with all points selected. Right-click Merge Vertices at center. In Edit mode, we have a transparent dot. Find the wrench. Next, add two modifiers in order: Skin, then Subdivide Surface. Now we have an extrudable rounded cube. Subdivide Surface means smoothness. I like 1. G for grab and E for extrude. Drag out the branches as needed with 1 thickness. Use Ctrl+A to adjust the thickness of the extruded points by dragging in or out. I added a shader to the trunk to add some color variation. We export the parts to Inkscape where we can modify them if we want and add all kinds of leaves, fall or summer colors, even snow. Thanks for watching. As usual, be unique.